Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on your camera in Jitsi Meet step by step. Enabling your camera lets other participants see you during meetings, making conversations more engaging and improving collaboration. So let's get started. First, open Jitsi Meet in your web browser or launch the mobile app on your Android device or iPhone. Join an existing meeting using an invitation link or create a new meeting by entering a unique room name. Next, if this is your first time using Jitsi Meet on the device, you'll be asked to allow access to your camera and microphone. Click or tap Allow when the permission request appears. Without camera permission, Jitsi Meet won't be able to display your video. Once you're in the meeting, look for the camera icon on the meeting toolbar. I mean, if the camera icon has a slash through it, your camera is currently turned off. Click or tap the icon once to turn your camera on. After a moment, your live video preview should appear. If your camera doesn't turn on, check that no other application is currently using the camera. You should also verify your browser or device permissions and make sure the correct camera is selected in Jitsi Meet's device settings. Finally, position your camera at eye level and make sure you're in a well-lit area for the best video quality. You can turn your camera off again at any time by clicking the same camera icon. And that's it. You now know how to turn on your camera in Jitsi Meet and participate in video meetings with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.